back. Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, we're always happy to have actress, model, makeup artist, chef, mechanic, all of these things. Kimberly Patterson, and she's here with us.
Thank you for having me again.
But you're wearing a hat of makeup
This
artist
is the makeup
today.
hat.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, I have many hats. Listen, when you're a hustler, you have to switch hats, you know, sometimes. I know how to wear two at once. So right now, I think I'm wearing three.
Run a check. The three hats.
Three hats, yeah.
Craig, you can't wear a hat, you know, because...
Yeah. I'm not the size for this. I don't know about that. But Kimberly, you specialize in the natural look of makeup.
Yes.
Which if I may speak on behalf of the man,
yes.
we appreciate.
Yes.
I
Yes.
really like to know about makeup thing, but like give us some tips what women should do.
Okay, first of all, my brand is all about skin-like beauty. You want to look good in front of the camera, but great in person as well, right? But not only look, but you want to feel fabulous. How do you feel right now, honey pie?
I feel light as a feather. I feel great. I feel like I could take on the town.
What's it?
You hear that?
Jenny Powell.
You hear that? You hear that?
Would it come right
So you see? The confidence.
Now,
The
good
confidence, right? Right. So today I wanted to just, you know, the holiday season and everything.
Right.
So I came in this poppy makeup on my face, like, you know, this thing right here. So I wanted to do something a little different for her.
Take us through what you did to get this look.
First of all, you know, her skin is so flawless. So I didn't want to play around that too much. So, of course, look on that skin. Like, if I should touch her face, it's like skin. No K-cup makeup around here, right, guys? That's what you guys like.
Yeah, because we wear light color shirts.
Yeah.
We wear light color shirts out. Right?
So when you get the hug, you don't want all the face being left on your shoulder.
One hug, my hug, girl. My shirt look like Craig's shirt.
I believe you. Oh my gosh. But when I saw her in these colors, I was like, wow, perfect theme for Christmas. The berries. So I wanted to bring the lip in to match this. Berries. Yes. So we're keeping it berries, and then, you know, her complexion is amazing. So of course it's going to pop against her skin. And then look on her beautiful eyes. You know, even though they're lashes, I know men don't really like lashes, but this is still enhancing her natural beauty in her eyes. You know, bringing attention to it. Hey.
Dimples at all. Oh.
Yeah.
So,
I just wanted to show one tip.
Yeah.
Right.
Of course. You know, Christmas time, sparkles, you want to look fabulous. So like if you turn this way, I'm going to hit her cheeks and you're going to see it just glow. And it's like a glow from within. So, see? Right? And then you want to blend it in a circular motion. You can add a little bit over the brows. And then on the nose, turn to me. Yeah. And then complete it by this side. And of course, you know, blending is key.
Kimberly, how do you get started in makeup?
You just go for it.
All right.
Well, I mean, you know, you start from your heart, but then you have to believe in yourself and network, go out there. You have to practice 100%. Slowly build a kit. Don't feel pressured. Women out there, if you want to get in makeup. But yeah, just start where you are. Don't overthink it. And you'll find yourself
Is there
growing.
a course that you started or you did or doing? Or?
Absolutely. Okay, so because I'm so high man, you know, around this season, everybody, parties, birthdays, events, weddings. I'm always busy. So I thought, what about the women out there who I have to be like, sorry, I'm booked. I didn't want to miss out on that anymore. And then I knew that, you know, everyday women wanted to know and learn about makeup, but directly. So I decided to create a course, an online course, reachable to women all over Jamaica, the busy moms, the entrepreneurs, the everyday women who like their skin to feel breathable and look amazing at the same time. So in the comfort of your own homes, you could watch it. The cost is $165 US or $22,450, but there's a sale going on.
All right.
Yeah, so you know, we want to slash those off for the season. 75% off, so it's only $50 or
Wicked.
6,800 Jamaican dollars.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All they have to do is just email me at imagema@gmail.com.
Image MUA
at gmail.com.
at gmail.com.
Yes, or
Right.
DM me, Kimberly Patterson Beauty on Instagram. You
Right.
could see my work there. And
Awesome.
yeah, and
Awesome.
of course, you know, we keep this
But
vibe.
that sparkle thing that you put on the cheeks really make a difference, you know.
Right, right.
It's awesome, man.
Thank you.
And you mentioned the berries too. What other go-to colors are there for the season?
You know, you always want to keep the bronzy look, the golden bronzy look, lightweight but still like you. So if you nude lips would change this look overall. Of course, I use like a darker smoky look for her. But if you go light on the eyes and nude lips, that's a really pretty look too. Pinks, berries, golds, glitter for Christmas.
Craig is going to try it when he goes home with his wife.
Yeah, you should try, you should try.
Apply makeup.
Tell
too.
her that you learned this.
So why wouldn't you do that?
I never say I wouldn't. I won't.
It'll be fun. It'll be
Is
fun.
that okay if you
You
try
can
that?
do it for your...
And his wife? No? No. I'm not going to be there.
True. Yeah.
Okay, the lashes, right.
Yes. Okay.
Don't blink so fast, you might take
Okay.
off.
No, I like the cool effect. I like the cooling effect. So blink.
So the lashes now, you know,
Right.
all right. You ever watch cartoon yet and you notice that the female cartoon characters have lashes because
Right,
it's like,
right,
and
right.
enough to do this.
Yeah.
No, you see
And then
you.
the male cartoon character turned idiot.
Plan that.
Yeah, you say automatically. So.
You know, so she goes to school to study that's something.
That.
No, I think it's the lashes I have on that's making me
No,
nervous.
not the lashes. It's
Oh,
not the
do it
lashes.
too.
Can I do
Right?
it?
It's the lashes.
Yeah.
Oh, so that.
Okay.
It's a lash effect. Yes.
It's a lash thing.
Now, how
could-
does she look? How does she look? No, my general, not smile so wide. Right now, you look, you need a chunk back.
All right, tell us one more time how we can find out more information about the course and you on social media.
Before that, has the course started already?
Yes. So it's
has.
actually immediately, as soon as you pay for it, you have immediate access. And as I
Okay.
said, anywhere, anytime in the comfort of your own home, watch it, do it along, and I break it down into 5 parts. Smooth sailing, the everyday woman, it's easy for her to follow.
Okay.
And then, you know, after that, the moms, everyday moms, you have your children there. You see, once you practice and you get that, and you know that this is crafted to your face, it will be like,
Wicked.
yeah,
So
yeah.
you see me not to do it, I can just tell her the website and she can do it herself.
Yeah,
And,
yeah.
and where can it go? Then?
Yeah,
Quickly.
just any questions, just email me at image, MUA, as in makeup artist, @gmail.com. Or find me on Instagram, Kimberly Patterson Beauty, or Facebook, Kimberly Patterson Beauty as well.
Thank you very much. Thanks for that, Kimberly. And thank you everybody for tuning in. Thank you so much. We'll be back on Friday with much more vibe, buzz, chat, and
That's a whole pa mix.
mix.
Whole pa mix.
Man,
I like you give me one word in the audio. I like it. You give me
They know
one
that you know
word.
always
Mix.
to me?
Sabeli Akari?
No.
What are you
As you can see.
saying?